Hey guys, welcome to Testimony. Today we're going to be making a trick shot video. So let's get started.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
So, first you're going to make a clip of yourself throwing it in from close. Split that. And that is going to be on top. Then you're going to take a picture of the ball and put that on top of that. Then you're going to find a place where it's idle, where nothing's happening, and put that on the very bottom. Then you're going to find a video of when you do it from far away. So let's find where you do it from far away. And put that right on top. Right like that. Okay, so then you're gonna do a mask around your ball. Circle usually, just like that. Then your ball will be floating. Then you're gonna make a crop around this. So getting close. And mask. This time use the pen tool. Just like that. Then you're going to crop a picture around this. And it should look like this. So we're live right now, I don't know why that is. I'll begin all at the beginning because that's very important. This is very laggy. That's so weird. Make that bigger for you to see. It's very low quality though. So, you're gonna move this to when you think the ball should make it. So, between the time that you throw it and then it makes it in, it's a little long, so just drag it in like maybe right over there. So you throw the ball and then boom. If you have any problems, then make sure that your masking is not a keyframe that goes on in the middle of nowhere. So that's always a problem. There you go. Then you're going to animate this virtual ball, which takes a very long time. So let me just walk you through it. So, click on this position line on top. So once it goes out of that, it's going to be on top, right? So just move that to on top. What's that? See, this is why you always crop it right. See, look at that. That was the problem. And that one's on top. So now you're gonna move it down and make it much smaller. And when it gets closer, wait, maybe move that right over there. Then it gets closer, then it gets much smaller and closer. make sure you click on the top line when you're moving it. And this should actually be over here. And then right there is that one when it ends. Boom, you're done. Make sure everything's the same length except for the top ball picture. Oh, that was in a loop region. Boom, look at that. Let's try that again. Let's do best full, just because we can. My computer's not a trash top like my last computer. And it kind of glitched out there. Let's do best half. Just because it's kind of hard using all these layers. Look at that, then you just gotta render it. Thanks guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.